me, Esther, this is happening. You know, I've said it time without number that there is a plan. There is a plan to overrun Southeast and to take over Southeast by Fulani. That was the agenda of our former president. Can you tell me, Esther, how come Fulani herdsmen has been rampaging all over this country and nobody says anything about it? Even the press, you will hear it in the press and it will go down. No public discussions about it. But you will see innocent young men that are protesting the ill treatment like this. They are being killed, hunted, arrested from their houses. Now, the situation in Enugu is still the same. People come out and cry and shout, and the news goes down, and again they keep killing. It wasn't the state government that made that statement. It was the local government chairman. That the women came out to protest. You can imagine what it took the women to organize themselves to come out and protest. The local government chairman, who is the security officer, the person in charge of security in that local government, came out and denied that it was not the Fulani herdsmen. The question is, did he go to the farm with this woman, with these women? Did he go to investigate? Now, these Fulani herdsmen kill as if they have the right. In fact, the federal government gave them the right to kill. About 3 days ago, we had that they attacked a village in Nassau. I mean, this is not hidden. It is not hidden. They do it, they take over. The worst part of it is that they will attack a village, sack the village, and take over and live there, and nobody says anything. The security operating says nothing. So that is it goes a long way to show that it's as if there's an agreement to cede some part of this country to Fulani herdsmen. And you know, it's in history that Fulani herdsmen have no land of their own. They're like parasites. They will move to people's land